You're watching the Tish 21.
What up, guys? So if you guys like the white AMG, I got something a little crazier for you here. Just got rid of the white AMG. All right, enjoy, man. Take care. Oh, I'm gonna miss that. And picked up this guy here. It is a 2014 P31 Coupe with the white leather. I do miss the red, but I'm not gonna lie, the white is pretty nasty. I might not even tint the windows just because you can see it through the damn windows. But yeah, check that shit out. This thing's absolutely mint. The paint on it is like completely clean. The exhaust setup is different. I might have to make it a little louder because this one has an actual X-pipe setup on it, so we might change it up a little bit. But it's not as loud as the old one. But it definitely has a more toned sound to it. That's one thing that's very interesting about this car here. Inside, you got the panoramic moonroof on this one. So that was one big difference with the sedan and coupe. And the Alcantara on the wheel, of course, because P31. Other than that, it's pretty solid. I also got a carbon lip that we're going to be installing today. That's it here. Check it out. So that one's going to be going on right now, actually. In order to install this, I actually had to take off the front piece. So there's like a little front lip here section, the OEM front lip. So I just removed that, so now it's ready for the new one to go on. So yeah, and let me give you guys a little soundtrack of what this one sounds like. Quite a bit different than the last one, but we'll see what we can do about that. So yeah, that's how it sounds. Honestly, I'm absolutely in love with this car. I didn't know how I was gonna like the coupe versus the sedan, but I gotta tell you, like, having the larger doors and windows, that like when you're driving, usually the pillar, you'd be driving, there'd be like a pillar right here beside your head, and that pillar's always hitting wind into your head. Now it's further back with the coupe, and I often used to find myself wanting to like put down the window, and I'd always hit the back window switches before the front. So annoying. But now I don't gotta worry about any of that shit. So yeah, other than that, this car is stupid clean. Definitely gonna enjoy this one as a daily. So we got this and the G now, and the G is almost ready to come back on roads as well. We were just doing a little bit of a fuel fitting that needed to go inside the tank, and that one's gonna be back on the road too. So yeah. installing the lip right now. It's almost ready. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like when the car's on the ground. All this thing needs some wider tires in the back, and then it's ready for daily driver use. Till later on, see what else we do. This is such a completely different sound for a C63. Like, I think it's just the X-Pipe, but the X-Pipe completely changes it. Like, there's the regular AMG grunt is not there. It's just more of a toned sound. There's no rasp. It's quite interesting how they've done it. Oh, sometimes the downshifts have a nice bark to it, which reminds me of the old setup. So I'm definitely gonna have to do something about the exhaust setup on this car. I'm sure on videos you guys are probably gonna say it sounded all right and it was decently loud, but in the car it's just not loud enough. Like, look, like it's definitely got the sound there. The tone is right. It's got that like perfect V8 tone, but it does not have like the proper grunt that I'm looking for from a C63. But boy, does it want to slide. Turn the traction shit off just in case. This is one of the cars that I've noticed that it just, when you slide it, it just compliments you in every way that when you're driving. Like, you throw the ass out, you can bring it back from some of the most craziest angles with this. Like, the steering angle in this car, just factory, is quite impressive. This is like one of the most perfect drift cars, I swear.
Bruh.
W204 C63 Coupe. The C63 is currently just got like res delete and secondary cat delete with the X-Pipe. We got a diffuser, carbon diffuser on the C63. And we also have a carbon fiber front lip. Let's get a little soundtrack.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.